Kelly from Kelly Philippine Adventure. We're going to do something today, but we don't really like doing. Is that we left Liam at home, and we are here at the grocery market. I dropped Ann off up front, and the reason I dropped her up because the place is packed full. I don't know if I can even get a picture of the parking here, but it's outrageous. I guess tomorrow they're going to do a quarantine on the barangay. So that means that we won't be able to go out unless you have a pass from your barangay. So it's pretty crazy right now. Now I don't know if they're gonna allow me to record here or not. They didn't last time. So we're gonna try and catch up with Ann and get some diapers and groceries and stuff that we need. And I don't usually take my bag in, but we're going to take it this time. So let's go find out. Everybody's getting checked over here. A lot of traffic. Got people waiting for rides over here, the ATM. And you got the social distancing, which just keeps them apart, which is a very smart thing to do. We have a long line to get in the mall. This is crazy. It's like I've never seen it this busy before. These lines go forever. Huh? Okay. Sorry. This is the bread. Check out the bread aisle. The bread here. No bread. No bread. You get like come over here. Excuse me. Where'd this one go? Do you have a checkout here? Holy crap.
No order. This is it. Nag-get ako mayo. Just put down.
We got crazy shopping right now. Everyone's going to be shutting off tomorrow. You have to have a pass. Like I said, you have to have a pass to get out of your barangay. So people are stocking up on anything they can get a hold of. Unbelievable. I'm sure it's like this in America too. The line, you can see, goes way over there. The line for that right there goes all the way back there. Here we are in line. It's going to be about an hour or so before we get out of here. We're going to try to get out of here sooner, but I don't think so. This is crazy. And this is usually stocked full. Everything is usually, this year is usually full of fish. We're at the back of the line. Get a long line here for the meat. Okay, so butter. Milk is pretty much gone. Well, milk. Another long line. Long line. Long line.
Oh, dili mo.
Lord. This place is pretty well dead back here. Lines and lines and lines. Lines and lines. Very big lines. Very, very big lines. Craziness here. Look at this. Unbelievable. Everyone's got to rush. I guess I don't blame them. So we've been in here now for a line for an hour, and that's our line right there. That's our line going that way. And you got two more lines over here, and you can see all the lines going. And it's a long way to the cash registers up there. And our line has to go all the way around and back that way. But we've been here for over an hour in line waiting. And we'll probably be at least another hour or so. We got to keep the aisle open. So y'all got to watch out for people just walking up and getting behind the next person when you're actually behind them. We haven't had that problem yet, luckily. And everyone's been pretty good. Everyone's been very polite. No problems yet. And people are stocking the shelves and they're emptying as fast as they stock them here. Got a lot of panic buying right now. We didn't buy a lot. We bought enough for a few days. I'm hoping until everything calms down a little bit. Hey, hon. So what do you think about this whole experience of shopping?
Scary.
Huh?
I feel scared.
So scared? And we are keeping everything we touch, we wash. We've been washing our hands many times while we're here. This was a full bottle when we got here. So we're keeping everything clean. And when we get home, we change clothes, immediately throw these in the washer and they get washed, all of our clothes. We're not taking the chances of having anything on our body. So we'll change and wash these immediately and take a shower. So they said that it actually can be in your hair also. So we're gonna take care of that. But yeah, it's just crazy here today. It is crazy. This is at SM Mall, the grocery store here at SM Mall. They have signs that say this right here, if I can get it. So this sign here says local instant noodles, maximum of 5 pieces per type or per brand per customer.
You wanna try this? Mac and cheese.
Sure, I'll try it.
Yeah, I guess. How many? 4?
Yeah, that's good. I like your mac and cheese better.
Yeah,
You
we
make
don't
it-
have a lot of cheese now, only one bar.
Yeah. You have Canton.
Yeah, we have Mandan Charles Brick.
Got the whole meal here.
Yeah, I don't like
Hot and spicy meal, the whole meal.
Yeah. You like eating that one?
No.
Me, I don't like. Charles, that's his favorite, like that.
Yeah.
Mga instant.
We now have, we can actually see the light at the end of the tunnel. Way up there is the cashier. So we are getting there slowly. And I just want to get out of here and get home. I need a bath.
I will take a shower outside.
What?
I will take a shower outside.
Okay, so now we're approaching 2 hours in the line for the cashier. Nothing's really changed. We've come up about, I don't know, maybe 10 feet. As you can see, it's still very, very crowded here. And there's our final destination again. And hiding over in the corner. How you hanging in there, hon?
Hungry? Oh, yeah, I'm hungry.
Hungry? And you're not with Liam.
Yeah. I keep on.
You don't like that part, do you?
Didn't like.
We're almost there. We've got a couple of big order folks here in front of us.
Yeah. After that one.
And then we have our bags, our
After
stuff.
that one.
There's the line where we came from. Oh, very, very busy. Very, very busy. Yeah. That's the speedy line over there. It's not too speedy though. There's the line behind where we came. And you've got a line for food that goes way up there for food. Yeah, right about there. And it comes over here to get the shawarma. Yeah, that's what it is. Now you can see they closed off the entrance to the mall, so you have to leave. You have to come and go at this entrance over here. $333.5. Woo-wee, close. $3.8. Yay, we're done. Let's go home. 3,800 pesos. 2,000, or about $60 worth of food. Let's go, let's go. Long lines still for food. Wanna buy some luggage?
Where do you want to go?
Has to be on foot wherever we go. to get in.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was our fun trip to the grocery store. Now we left here at 11 a.m. and it's now 1:45 p.m. So that tells you how long we were in the store. What a whole lot to give you some footage there, because you've seen pretty much that's everything it was. It's shoulder to shoulder people trying to get food, stock up, because tomorrow evidently they're going to have a guard posted on that end of the street and one at this end of the street, the only two ways in and out of the barangay here, and you'll have to get a pass to go to the grocery store or go to the doctor. So that goes into effect tomorrow. Now the governor did not sign off on it yet, so we won't know. That's why everybody was panicking and going and getting stuff they needed, or panic buying. Stupid flies. I look red and pink right now because we just bought this new awning and the sun hits it directly and it causes everything to look pink underneath it. So sorry about the color on the video there, but it's about 92 to 95 degrees right now. It's hot. I'm gonna cut this short, go get me a shower, because they say after you've been in groups of people you should shower and take your clothes off and wash them. That's what we're gonna do before we even see Liam. He's inside sleeping, so that worked out good for us. So I'm going to cut this short, and keep safe, everybody. Remember, wash your hands. Always wash. And yeah, I guess that's it. Stay safe. See you on our next Philippine adventure. Bye-bye.